Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really important for new moms, Kegel exercises, and how they can help you get your body back after having a baby. First, what are Kegel exercises? Well, these are exercises that strengthen the muscles in your pelvic floor. These muscles support important parts of your body like your bladder, uterus, and rectum. After pregnancy and childbirth, those muscles can become weak or stretched, which is totally normal. But the good news is that by doing Kegels regularly, you can tighten and strengthen those muscles again. Let me walk you through how to do Kegel exercises step by step. Find the right muscles. The first thing you need to do is identify the muscles you're going to work on. A simple way to do this is by stopping your urine flow when you're going to the bathroom. Those muscles you use to stop it, those are your pelvic floor muscles. Disclaimer text, don't actually. Get in a comfortable position. Start by sitting or lying down. As you get used to these exercises, you can do them standing or even while walking. Start the exercise. Now, imagine you're trying to hold in urine or gas. Squeeze those pelvic floor muscles and hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly. So, why should you do Kegel exercises after having a baby? There are some amazing benefits. Improved bladder control. Kegels can help prevent or reduce accidents like leaking urine, which is pretty common after childbirth. Better muscle tone. They can also help tighten your vaginal muscles, which may have become a bit stretched during delivery. Faster recovery, if you had any tearing. Now you might be wondering, how long until I see results? If you do Kegels consistently, most people start to notice a difference in about 4 to 6 weeks. But for the best results, keep it up for 3 months or more. Remember, everybody is different, so don't be discouraged if it takes a little longer for you. The key is to stay consistent. Here are a few quick tips to make sure you're doing Kegels correctly. Don't use your stomach, thighs, or butt muscles. Focus only on your pelvic floor muscles. If you're tightening anything else, you're doing it wrong. Breathe normally. Don't hold your breath while you're doing Kegels. Relax and keep breathing. Stay consistent. Just like any other exercise, counts. And that's it. Kegel exercises are simple but super effective for helping your body bounce back after childbirth. Whether you're just a few weeks postpartum or it's been a while, it's never too late to start working on your pelvic floor health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on women's health. And if you've got any questions or experiences with Kegels, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.